Ajinomoto Group, founded in 1909, is producing and selling various seasoning and processed food in 130 countries and regions. Through the group's innovative and competitive technology development, the group aimed to create values that promote social progress, which will in turn create economic values. This mind, named ASV, Ajinomoto Shared Value, is shared all over the group. And in Malaysia, we have operated business over 50 years and launched various products to meet customers' needs under ASV. In 2011, on Ajinomoto Malaysia's 50th anniversary, the company initiated the 1909 Infosium program. By introducing the concept of umami, the focus of the program was to contribute to regional cuisines with the resources and know-how of the Ajinomoto Group. As a part of its activities, the cooking class was well received from local customers.
This class has been really tremendously, I've really enjoyed it.
Okay, this is my first time, so actually I am very happy. Hopefully I can come again.
And yes, I definitely will come for future classes but Ajinomoto produce, or should I say, makes very good recipes available.
Besides, we conduct school project.
Ajinomoto Malaysia Berhad believe that health education should start at early age to lead to a healthy lifestyle. Thus, we have started school projects, activity and educational program, namely Makanan Lazat Kehidupan Sehat since year 2005 to promote healthy dietary culture for the young generation through the 5th basic taste umami. By applying umami concept in daily diet, we can also promote low sodium intake with balanced diet without compromising the taste. Throughout the 12 years of committing ourselves in this education program, more than 1,200 schools in Malaysia involving 244,000 students have benefits from the program itself.
Deeply rooted in its local cultures and societies, Ajinomoto Group makes every effort to introduce the pleasure of cooking, as well as assisting in maintaining its customers' well-being.